Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video we are gonna learn how to log in with Apple Sign In, Google or Facebook. For this we have to go to the app, and down here where it shows three buttons, Google, Apple Sign In or Facebook, we are gonna choose the one that we prefer. Today I'm gonna choose the Apple Sign In. So I click here in continue. He does the face recognition. And that's it. Here, and we have our app complete. The next feature that I'm gonna show you is to change your password. For this, you have to go to your profile in the app, go up here where it shows a pencil, then go till the end and click on edit password. You have to put your current password, then the new password, and then repeat the password. After doing this, you have to click in edit password, and that's all. Your password will be set. So thank you for joining in this video, and see you in another. Bye bye.